Mwihoko wakwa wigutiria thayo tariki ni 13 mweri naguo ni wa gathano ni njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya ciko etagwo Sharon mwari wa gicuhi ni maingi tukuhariirie makiria nginyagia riboti cioria nyanake ithite na mbere na gutharikira mishemanio ya muingi na tukiambiriria mohoro maitu ni ati githurano kia president kingitafanio umuthi President William Ruto niwe ungihotana kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni Infotrack na angihotana na gicunje kia 32 harĩ 100 agafuatwo ni Kalonzo Musyoka uria ungihotana na gicunje kia 13 harĩ 100 wagatatu ni Edwin Sifuna kuria angihotana na gicunje kia 12 harĩ 100 makanyitanira na Fred Matiang'i.
President Ruto has a command in about 5 regions, and that include his highest is from Northeastern at 59%, followed by Rift Valley 46%, then the Nyanza at 40, Coast 33, then Nairobi 19, Western 35. Of course, his list is from the 2 regions. If cumulatively we combine the popularity of all the key leading opposition leaders of the United Alternative Government, then now they are ahead of the president.
Tugitigana na cigie Infotrack tumurike riboti ciege maini na tharikira cia nyanake kuria kamiti ya ugitiri kuria kaunti ya Githumo maugite ni irarutithania wira na athuthuria niguo gwethana na kunyita aria marakiririe ngahiha iria cironekanire muthi wa kiumia kuria andu eri marakuire na nduthi 6 irakorwo ni cia mundio mwaki. Gavana Anyang' Nyong'o orite atongoria metheme na uhuthiri wa nyanake guthararia thayo wa bururi.
For the conveners, we will track you down. For the mobilizers of the youth, we will track you down. And we will get you. So if you think you are on holiday by maybe staying away from Kisumu and organize using proxies here, we'll still track you down. It doesn't matter who you are, we'll get you.
Political competition must never become a license to sponsor violence or recruit young people into criminal networks. Anyone found financing, organizing, or facilitating acts of violence, directly or indirectly, will face the full consequences of the law. Responsibility extends beyond those who wield weapons to those who provide resources, direction, or protection.
We cannot be convinced that these machete-wielding thugs can have and show the sort of confidence they are displaying without an assurance of protection. These actions that we have been witnessing over time is aimed at ensuring there is no alternative political expression through destruction, physical assault, and even death.
Tugithina mbere ni ati atongoria a mung'ethaniro matongoretio ni Eugene Wamalwa nimathite na mbere na gukumithia tharikira cia nyanake agikiuga ati gwakorwo atia hindi ya kampeini cia githurano kinene angikorwo o niguo kuhana ni undu wa ithurano nini. Akiaria ari kuria kaunti ya Trans Nzoia, Wamalwa akiugite mawatho ni mabatie magathikwo niguo kuhitana na ngahiha o ciothe ingikorwo ikiumira.
Tunataka jamii ya Mulembe muige mfano wa jamii ya Gema. The Gema community is united, na wakiamua wanaamua mara moja. Hatutaki tuone ya kwamba jamii ya Mulembe inagawanyika, na hiyo itakuja kama kila mtu anataka kuunda chama chake. Sasa saizi nasikia kuna vyama mpya zinakuja. Kuna moja imezinduliwa leo, ingine itazinduliwa kesho, ingine wiki ingine, na hii ndio mambo inatugawanya sisi. Let us say if we are united, ukarimu huanzia wapi? Nyumbani.
Na kwa jamii ambayo zote za Trans Nzoia na haswa Endebess, sisi kama watu wa Gema hatuna ubaya na mtu yoyote, na tutaishi pamoja. Si mmeishi pamoja? Uchaguzi inaenda kufanyika, tafadhali, hata kama tutakuwa na hasia tofauti, isikufike ukakata mwenzako. Mumesikia? Mumesikia vizuri? Nimewaomba tuweke amani.
Kwa hivyo kama unajua mtu yoyote mwananchi ambaye ananyanyaswa na polisi ama amewahi nyanyaswa, kuna ile program ya compensation ambayo inaendelea. Fika kwenye afisi zetu Eldoret, nipigie simu through Musheru ili aweze kuwekwa kwa ule mpango wa compensation.
Atongoria kaunti ya Embu marauga ciiko cia nyanake gutharikira mĩcemanio ya mũingĩ nĩ ũgwati mũnene kwona rĩu twerekeire gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027. Maugĩte nyanake ici ibatie gũkorwo ikimarwo na gũtuĩka kĩonereria kĩa arĩa othe mangĩkorwo na mũbango wa gũthoga thayũ wa bũrũri.
Tumeona katika pande mingi sana za Kenya, tumeona kuna vijana ambao wanatumika kwa siasa siku hizi, kupigana, kurusha mawe, kutumia vijiti. Wanasiasa wengi nimeona wanatumia guns, na tukiendelea hivyo tutaharibu Kenya yetu. Mimi nataka kuuliza viongozi wote wanasiasa, tujiepushe na siasa ya vita, tufanye siasa ya amani, kwa sababu uongozi ambao unatafutwa kwa mawe na vijiti sidhani ni uongozi mzuri.
Ni vibaya sana kama viongozi tutakuwa katika mstari wa mbele kuangazia mambo ya gunism ama wale ambao ni vikundi vile ambavyo vinaangaisha watu katika mikutano ya wanasiasa na mikutano mingine ile ambayo inahudhuriwa na watu wetu wa nchi yetu ya Kenya na kaunti yetu ya Embu. Ningeomba ya kwamba serikali, upande wote wa serikali na pia upande huo mwingine wa upinzani, kusiwe na jambo ambalo either side wanatumia guns katika utekelezaji wa mikutano yetu. Kwa hivyo na wale ambao wanahusika, minister wetu wa interior ambaye ni Kipchumba Murkomen, angalia ya kwamba katika nchi yetu ya Kenya hakuna mtu ambaye ako juu ya sheria kuangazia mambo ya gunism ama wale viongozi ambao wanatumia wakora ama vikundi ambavyo havijapewa cheti ambacho wako supposed ama wako na nafasi ya kufanya vile ambavyo wanafanya.
IBC fuatilie pali yote itakuwa na shinda. Kama mtu ameleta shinda, huyo mtu hawezi kusimama. Hiyo ningeomba IBC angalie hivyo ndio tuweze kuendelea mbele.
Tutigane na icio ciĩgimaine na tharĩkĩra ateteri a ihoto na a yuthi kaunti ya Uasin Gishu nĩ morĩtie thirikari na mbunge ya bũrũri gũkorwo makĩoya maoni ma mũingĩ megemaine na watho wa maĩ ũrĩa werekeire kũhetũkio mbere ya matabanĩtie ndereti ĩmĩgie na matongoretio nĩ Brian Okoth akiugĩte a yuthi nĩ merutanĩirie gũgĩthoma no nginyagia ũmũthĩ makoragwo kana mũndũ kuona wĩra nĩ ta kĩama kĩnene.
School, we are expertised, we have the knowledge, we are professionals, but then we are worried because it is coming to our attention that most roles are going to be declared redundant, and when they are redundant, where do you want us to go? And again, it is coming to a time where youths, we are really struggling. We don't know what is good for us. We go to school, we study, we are aligned with a certain profession, then we are told that something is going to be merged with the other. That shows that somebody is going to go back home. So are we going back to crime? Are we going back to sitting at home? Are we going back to getting confused all along?
This is a process that from our own perspective requires immense public participation, farmers to be brought on board to air their concerns, and bring their expertise on board so that as the parliament is deliberating on these key issues of water, food production in this country, the country can be able to move forward with a clear plan on how food production is going to happen in this country. We want the parliament to go slow on this, ensure inclusivity and participation of all major stakeholders.
We are also asking governors, Council of Governors, to take this bill keenly because it will touch on land, where he lives, and other issues. So by centralizing this body, there is so much that the county will lose because most of the functions of the county will be forfeited.
Nĩ ngatho hau twakinya njĩtĩkĩria tũkorwo tũgĩikĩria nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩcokereria na riboti ingĩ.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ũkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ, ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email ito neo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Hena we uria wari we wikaire tukaria kari very ambitious no cio nowe mutumira twenda gucokia tumwire atiriri wende no cokererie kwimenya kuu twaririo horo waku umenye value yaku umenye wendaga gutuika ki ucokerere uria we wari.
Divorce ni kido it is there, it is real, it is something real. No hindira andu matigana ri ni ukoraga ati kwina ungi wakwena nginya tangiruga nginya mutwe tondu wakiugo tu gutigana.
Ciana no kinya cikama nondu mubango mwega wa kumenya baba wawe guikara atia. Likewise mutumia riria atigwo ni muthuri ni reke njuge mutumia wa ndigwa ni ahota guikara maundu-ini na raini-ini njega gukira muthuri.
Muthuri uyu ni arariha nyumba, muthuri uyu ni ararihira ciana school fees tondu those are the basic need. Nduri handu ngiurira kuriha nyumba, nduri handu ngiurira kurihira ciana school fees na irio. Koguo twamba kuga twambe tuiganire kugura irio, rent na school fees. Maya mangiri tiga kuhanyukia muthuri.
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka. Mwambĩrĩrio kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
Hihi we murutwo ureketie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake thukuru ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Wanjiru Technical College riu ni uragwitira intake guko arutani aitu ni makinyanire ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo aitu na mashini cia kiriu na makaheo umenyo uria wagirire kuringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, umemerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence na thiomi naja ta German. Marihi maitu ni mafashirire uwega gukinyiria gikiro giothe kia murutwo. Tusherere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kana no tuhurire thimu kugerera 0701 300 niyo 0701 300 071. Weheke mieke tanathira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ewe ni wenderera we. Kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri.
Umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambiria kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma engineering system umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote uguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macemanirio-ini ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Duka wengi yao area kou Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Duka wengi haria Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani ni haria Max Plaza kung'ethanira na Kasarani police station. Ona kana no macarie namo 0793 494949 ana 0793 949494 kana 0793 595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma engineering system. Twaririe
ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiliku.
Nĩ ngatho ntwarĩke gũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ tumũrĩke ciĩgiĩ mathako. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩacemanĩtie na Migori Youth FC thingira-inĩ wa Iregi kũrĩa amatugĩte na mbathi ĩrĩa ĩkũhũthia mĩthiĩre yao. President augĩte ũtongoria wake ũrĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere gwĩkĩrĩra mathako ithenya-inĩ nginya rĩa gũkũria taranda.
Me as a captain, I'm very happy, Mr. President. You have been with us since we started this our competition. Since last season, you have been good to us, supporting us. Back at home, we have good stadium. I thank for that. We have got a good bus here, very comfortable bus. Thank for that. And Mr. President, it seems that you have been our kismat this season. As we want to start our season 2026-2027 in our Kenya Premier League, I may also request to be with us. We are able to do it.
Imekuwa 19 years of struggle, at least this year tumefaulu at least kupata nafasi ya kuingia Premier League. Na I think your motivation imechangia sana. Ukiona basi mpya hapa imesimama hapa, wakati tumesikia kuna gari inakuja, vijana wamefurahia sana na wamejituma. Zaidi ya hiyo pia I want to appreciate you on behalf of Kenyan football community. Hatujawahi ona president amesimama na football ya Kenya kuliko wewe.
For you to get organized and win, it takes effort, it takes commitment, it takes a lot of organization, for which I want to say congratulations. Success does not just come. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of planning, working hard, working smart, and therefore, as you graduate now to Premier League, your assignment becomes even better. When I was requested by our patron a few months back to get you a bus, I did not know that you are going to win the Super League. But you have made me very proud that today I am not only handing over a bus to you, but I am handing over a bus to the Super League champions.
nĩ ngatho hau nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe tũthiĩ tũrarĩkia gũkwĩhũrĩra wona ciehanda thaa ithatũ tũgũcemania oro haha ngetĩka Wairimu wa Wanjiru mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko akiuma Sharon mwarĩ wa gĩcũhĩ gũtiga moko-inĩ mega ma Wanjiru wa Njeri agĩkũrehera tabarĩra ya twarĩ cararũkũ gĩa na wĩro